I recently explored the Skyro credit product feature of Skyro, and here's what I like about it. Number 1, 0% interest up to 45 days. Ang Skyro credit is like a credit card, pero walang physical na card. Kung bayaran mo ang balance ng buo within 45 days upon purchase, you will not be charged interest. That gives you time to manage your cash flow wisely. Number 2, every purchase gives you 1% cashback. Sabihin na lang natin may binili kang product worth 1,000 pesos at ginamit mo ang Skyro credit. Meron kang makakuha na 10 pesos cashback. You can earn up to 500 pesos cashback and start claiming it once it reaches 100 pesos. Para na rin siyang reward for buying things that you need tulad ng groceries at medicines. Number 3, scan and pay anywhere via QRPH code. As long as the vendor has a QRPH code, you can scan and pay using Skyro credit. Number 4, easy lang ang application. Download mo lang ang Skyro app on your phone, tap explore more products, then tap Skyro credit, then submit requests and wait for their approval. And number 5, instant credit replenishment. Pag binayaran mo na, your credit line will immediately be replenished and can be used again. You can settle your balance through the Skyro app, GCash, BPI, BDO, or over the counter. So if you want to explore Skyro, download the app on your phone and sign up from there.